What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and today we're going to be talking about the SoFi 2019 promotion that started around early October. We want to definitely talk about that as well as the new updates that have transpired since then, and just want to let you guys aware of it. So before we get started, let's go ahead and jump right into the intro. What's up guys, so thanks for sticking around. And back in October, SoFi started running a ridiculous promotion offering you 100% return on investment. Now this was a promotion to get new potential customers to open up a money management account, which is similar to a checking account from a regular bank, but without the checks. So they were doing this to acquire new customers, and basically what they were asking for, if you deposit $100 into your account, they would give you $50 as a welcome bonus. That's basically free $50. In addition, if you was to refer someone else that doesn't have an account with SoFi, then they would receive the $50 welcome bonus. However, you would receive $100 for referring that new customer. So that's a total of $150 of free money for you just for signing up and referring one person. I'm sure most of you guys know at least one person out there that you can refer. Most of the time, that could be your spouse. Now, I have made a couple of videos about this promotion previously to share with you and others this opportunity to make free money within just 2 minutes of your time, because that's how long the entire process takes. But the maximum amount you could receive was up to $10,000. Now, I have a few friends that actually met these maximum amounts for them and their spouses just because they run large blog sites in which their referral link was used by thousands of people. But since then, the bad news is that promotion ended on October 31st. But the good news is they started a new promotion, and now this promotion is not as good as the other one, but still offers you free money for just a little bit of work. Now, instead of receiving $100 for every referral, they have cut that in half to only $50. Now, before you get all salty about this is still a great deal, and it's still a way to make free money. And you guys know how I like free money. Now, I personally had a few of my close friends tell me later how they were skeptical of this promotion and it sounded too good to be true, so they didn't really actively promote the promotion to their family and friends. So they potentially really ended up losing out on a lot of free money. So one person in particular didn't jump on the referrals, and some others never even signed up for it. And I get it. $100 is not a big deal for some people. So it's not really a push for you to actually sign up for a new account to receive $100 of free money. I totally understand it. And for some other people, you might not even have $100 to actually deposit it into an account to get a free $100. So you know what? I get it. But for those of you who would like to earn free money, there is still an opportunity out there. So don't sleep on the promotion, because this time you never know when it's going to end. Now, I know most of you are pretty much watching this video trying to figure out how much of free money I actually made off this promotion in October. So I actually made about $1,200 in free money, and all I had to do was, number one, sign up with someone else's referral link. Number two, deposit $100 into my SoFi cash account. Number three, deposit $100 into my SoFi investment account. And number four, share this promotion with my family, my friends, and my YouTube family, you guys. And I thank you. So yes, $1,200 is all I made off this promotion, but obviously I have a small channel, so that wasn't a lot of people. It could be more for others depending on how many people you know and if you have a large following. So since then, I have withdrawn all of my free bonus money and left my initial investment of $100 in each one of my SoFi accounts. And now my bank account is $1,200 more than what it was before I actually signed up with SoFi. SoFi, yeah, I'm not sure. Now, SoFi does offer other ways to make free money, such as if you set up a direct deposit of $500 or more with a new account, they would give you $100 bonus in free money. Now, you have to allow at least 2 direct deposits to process in order to receive the free $100. That is something that I am considering doing myself coming up this month. In addition, if you refer someone else to deposit $100 into their SoFi investment account, you will receive $100 in referral bonus, and they will receive $100 in free stock purchases. This is literally doubling your money of 100% cash on cash returns. It's a no-brainer. I referred a few people to open up an investment account, but SoFi at the time in October was only offering $50 of free stock if you refer someone to open up that investment account. But now they've upped it to $100 worth of free stock. And lastly, another way to receive free money from SoFi is if you refer someone to open up a personal loan or a student loan, you will receive a $300 bonus for referring them, and that person would receive a $100 bonus for signing up. So my point to all of this is that it's free money. Don't sleep on this opportunity because you never know when it will end. For those of you who are interested in making some free money and helping others receive free money as well, I will include each referral link down below in the description so you can get your welcome bonus money within 24 hours of signing up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comments section down below. That's it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, definitely consider subscribing. And if you receive some value in this video, be sure to click on the like button, as it definitely helps out with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.